and welcome to Simple Fresh Flavors with Emily. So I keep seeing this internet viral trend where people are taking melted ice cream and mixing it with flour, baking it, and somehow they're coming out with cupcakes. So I really wanted to give it a go. So join me today as we make ice cream cupcakes. Melt 1 pint of pistachio ice cream in a large mixing bowl. You want the end product to still be chilled and not hot. Separate 3 tablespoons of the melted ice cream. Put it in the refrigerator for later. We're going to use this for our glaze. To the rest of the melted ice cream, add 1 1/4 cup of self-rising flour. Stir everything well to combine. You should have a typical cake batter. Fill a piping bag with the batter. If you don't have a piping bag, you can use a Ziploc. In a well-greased and floured pan, fill the cups up 1/3 to halfway full. I chose to use a mini Bundt pan, but you could also use a regular muffin tin. I put a link for a mini Bundt pan in the description. Bake at 350 for about 25 minutes. After allowing the cakes to cool for about 10 minutes, place them on a wire rack to cool even longer. While the cakes are still cooling, I'm going to start my glaze. I take the leftover melted ice cream and combine it with 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. Stir well to combine. When your cakes are room temperature, they're ready to decorate. Dip them in the glaze and top them with salted pistachios. This recipe is definitely easy, so I give it an A for that. The appearance, these are actually really pretty. They're like a nice golden brown in color and they're really even. Let's see what the inside looks like on these. It is a really closed crumb. Let's see how they taste. I'm going to get a part with glaze and salted pistachios, and you see these have these pistachios inside from the ice cream, so let's give these a try. They're good. I think that they're not an excellent cake recipe. I think the box is better. Glaze is absolutely necessary because the cake is not overly sweet, which is really surprising me because there's, a pint of melted ice cream in there. The glaze is really nice with the salted pistachios. They add a nice kind of contrast to everything. You could do this with any flavor of ice cream, so A for creativity for sure. All right, so that is my take on the viral ice cream cupcake trend. If you like what you saw today, go ahead and hit that plus sign down below and subscribe to my channel. Bye, y'all.